Hi guys, let's make this juicy and delicious standing rib roast. Take your fresh herbs off the vine or the stems, or if you're using dry herbs, get that ready. Now first things first, this is not necessary, but it makes cooking more fun, let me tell you. So first you want to remove your rib roast from all of the outer packaging and then pat it dry well. And don't forget to flip it over and remove the silver skin near the bones. You want to rub generously with whatever oil you're going to use, whatever you have on hand. I'm going to be using avocado oil. And make sure you season all sides liberally. Now do not be scared because this is a thick piece of meat. And you're going to want to use a lot of seasoning to help permeate the surface and get it all flavorful. And plus too, when you use kosher salt that's really flaky, it's really hard to over season compared to if you use like sea salt or something super fine. So keep that in mind. After it's nicely seasoned, you're gonna move your roast to a baking dish and insert a probe thermometer into the middle and place them into a cold oven. You're gonna wanna set the oven to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and set the alarm to go off on the thermometer at 118 degrees. Once the internal temperature reaches 118 degrees, you're going to want to remove the roast from the oven and let it rest for 30 minutes. After it's rested, you can return it to the oven at the highest temperature it can go to give it a nice golden brown, but as you can see, the roasting process did that for me. So I just sliced it and served with some garlic mashed potatoes and caramelized carrots. Enjoy!